Hey guys, Tepco Cycle Repair, and one of the things I like to do here is share information, and there's a lot of other YouTubers out there, one of them being Jay Clark, and I'm building a tire stand based on the instructions and information that he'll send to you as well, and I'll put a link in the description so you can check that out. Thank you, Jay, for that. So I'm going to be building this up here, and the instructions say to use 1x2s and then 2x2s, but I couldn't find those. And you building this thing out of, you can buy this and build this thing out of scrap metal. So I went to my local salvage yard, and this is what I found. These are 1x3s, and you can see this is where I got all that metal for the tire changing stand right there. Nice. So instead of doing a 2x2 box for the main structure, I'm going to use 3 of these, and then by using these for the angles and the feet, it'll all work out fine. You'll see. Don't worry about it. So to start out with, when I measure this out here, the height right here, he has it measured at 26 inches for the center cut. I'm a little taller than him, so I'm going to go 3 inches larger here. I'll do to 29 inches, so that'll just give it a little bit more height. You don't want it to be too high, and you don't want it to be too low, so you're bending over a lot. So I'm going to go with about 3 inches taller, because I'm about 3 inches taller than him, so that should work out just fine. So I'm going to get these all cut, these 3 cut right here, and then we'll start with the rest of it. All right, guys, so I got these 3 cut right here, all at 29 inches. So what's going to happen here is these are the 3 center main posts. So basically, instead of being a 2x2, it's going to be a 3x3. No big deal. Just going to be a little bit heavier. So now we got to cut the feet. The feet are 6 inches each. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these at 6 inches, make 4 of those. And I'm just using a cutting wheel. All right, so now I got all these cut to 6 inches, got 4 of those done. Now I got to do the angle ones that go from this to this, okay? So they'll go up on an angle. They got a 70-degree cut in them on both sides. So let me get that measured out, cut. All right, guys, so all the angles are cut now at 70 degrees. Got 4 of those. Now just everything is cut. I already got a circle from the salvage yards. It's the size I need for the top. I just got to get the straight post for the center. All right, guys, so that's everything cut. Here's our main post, these 3. And like I said, I'm going to be doing it the 1x3. So then we have these, and when these are all together, this is just going to be sit like that. So I'm going to do 3 because of the size of steel that I was able to find. So we got 4 of these for the feet, or the legs, 4 of these for the feet, 7-inch circle, and I got a 8-inch tall rod for the center for the wheel to go on. The only thing I don't have here is the Delrin ring, which I'm going to, that goes on top of that. And we take that from the wife when she's not looking and get her a new one. So now we just got to get it all welded together with a good flat surface to make everything even. Let's do it. All right, guys, so getting this all together, here's our 1x3s stacked. Spot welded here. I'll put some heavier welds, and I ground in between on both sides of the center one, and then on the inside of this one, so it's raw metal inside there because I'm going to paint it. And then here, I'm just starting to tack these on. I hand cut all this stuff with a grinding wheel, so right now I'm just leveling everything, make sure it's flush. I put a line around it so the tops of all of them are going to be even, and these should be just fine. I'm just going to start putting the next 2 on, get them right, and then close up all those welds right there, nice and tight, and then we'll put the feet on and the top disc. All right, guys, so I got it all welded up here. Put that top plate on, centered everything, made sure everything was level. That was the hardest part, was trying to get it level. So now I'm just going to give it some paint. I'm going to wipe it down clean, get it some paint, and we should be good to go. It's looking good. All right, guys, so we got the first coat of paint on there. It is looking good. Let that set up a little bit and we put another one on. All right, guys, so there it is, all done, looking awesome. I've never been so excited to change a tire in my life. One of the things I hate the most is changing tires, and this bad boy right here looks like it's going to be awesome. The cool thing, the thing that I noticed, and the reason I wanted to build it, is these feet right here are very important because you can step on that as you're leaning on the tire, and it kind of helps steady the whole thing, so you don't have to mount it down. This is an awesome design that I never thought of. And again, Jay Clark sent me these, and I had to modify them a little bit because it's all made from scrap metal straight from the yard. And I have a yard here called DH Griffin, where I get all my metal from. So you guys need to check them out if you have one nearby. But again, thank you, Jay. And guys, check out my the description of this video, and I'll put a link in there to his Instagram channel. It's Dirtbike TV 1, and you'll be able to check him out there and send him a message and get these same plans. You came out awesome. Man, I gotta go change some tires now.